On the eve of the new year, a new natural disaster struck the United States. The western states of the United States have been hit by record frost and snowfalls. A powerful winter storm hit America's west coast, causing car chaos in the Lake Tahoe and Sierra Nevada, California. Extreme weather conditions made it difficult to drive on snowy roads. Cars got stuck in deep snowdrifts, sliding on ice and skidding in snow drifts. A long line of cars, which formed a traffic jam, almost completely blocked the passage on the main highways and several settlements. A blizzard swept away some areas, literally paralyzing life in settlements. Power outages have been observed. During the day, about 5 meters of snow fell, which led to the closure of several main highways. The work of the local airport was suspended, some flights were cancelled. Bad weather led to the temporary closure of some companies. Many employees were transferred to a remote mode of work. Local authorities are urging residents to be extra careful, stay home, and, if possible, refrain from long-distance travel.